name is Walker Powell, and I'm here today to present industrial design and why you should join it. Industrial design. What is industrial design? Industrial design is the field of product design. We design products people use every day, pretty much everything architects don't. It's a very open field with many options that you can go into. Some of those options are things like appliances, toys, cars, shoes, all sorts of different things that people use every day that you can help design. And shoes, they can be any kind of soft goods like backpacks or clothing lines. Toys, you could do action figures, you could do TVs instead of appliances, or computer devices, stuff like that. And then to do all of this, we use special tools like 3D modeling on the computer or laser cutters to help prototype things, and 3D printers to do a lot of rapid prototyping, get a lot of ideas out really quickly. And this is all possible because of the design process. We go from research to conceptual to help designing it to prototyping it and then engineering it, producing it in the end. So in the beginning, we start with our ideations. We run through a lot of ideas really quickly based upon all the research that we've gathered. And this helps us, once we've gathered a good idea of what we're going to do, we go to prototyping and start to build what we want to do, and we realize problems early on with our design, and it allows us to help and fix that. And this goes back to all the laser cutter and the 3D printing and the 3D modeling. This is a really big part of prototyping. It allows us to understand what we're working with. And once we finally have a design that we're happy with, we go to the engineering and the production, and we make sure this thing can work. It'll be made properly, and it can be used in everyday life. And once everything has been cleared and it's all good, you get to enjoy the product, get to drive that new car, or your child can play with the new toy. And that is what industrial design is.
So like, how y'all decide what to make?
Well, normally a person would approach us with an idea, and then we would help them design that. Or if we work for a company already has products that they like to design, and so we focus on the problems in their existing products and improve upon them.
So they come to you and you charge them to help out their product?
Yes. Depending, if you work for a firm, a person will approach you with an idea and you'll help them build it from the ground up. Or if you work for a company, then you'll help improve what they already have existing on the market.
So your job varies. You can A, just take a product that already exists and make it better, or B, you can just create a product from scratch?
Yes, exactly.
That's awesome.
Thank you.
How competitive is the job market?
Pretty competitive. Yeah, you have to be pretty good.
How likely are you to get a job?
I mean, I'm pretty good, so I think I have a pretty good job about it. But I mean, some people, they might not get a job. At our school, we only get about like a handful that get a job afterwards. So, any other questions?
So if I join ID, what lets me know that I'll be able to get to where I am? Like as a designer, like I don't know anything about design.
Oh, that's fine. I mean, you have years to build upon that. When I first started, I didn't know much about design. I was terrible at sketching, but over the years, I've gotten way better. The teachers here we have are great, and a good studio life helps us all help each other out and get to where we need to be.
So would you say the major is like a family environment? They're very helpful?
Oh yeah, we're all a family together. We all help each other out. We go throughout the years, ID fam is what we like to call ourselves.